Oh, hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. We're at Dairy Queen because they brought out their new fall lineup. And I got a couple of them, actually. I got a couple smalls. Excited about this one right off the bat. This is their new pecan pie blizzard. And I got a little small here. Excited about it. Don't want it to melt. So we're in the parking lot. I love pecan pie. Don't really care about ice cream that much. This tastes a lot like pecan pie. It's good. It's full of nuts and brown sugar or whatever. Pecan. A lot of nuts. A lot of pecans. Big chunks. That's not too bad. We're at Dairy Queen. They just released their whole new fall. Ooh, this is melting. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Now, this is another one they got. A new. It's the Reese's Pieces Cookie Blizzard. Tastes like peanut butter cookie, too. And a bunch of chunks of little pieces of Reese's. Reese's Pieces. My God. Really quick. I was melting. I just got it out of the window 5 minutes ago. Trying to keep it off my shorts and my shirt. I like this better. This is the Reese's Pieces Cookie Flurry Blizzard. Got a lot of peanut butter flavor. Oh, man. I swear. Not too shabby. I'll say the Reese's Pieces Cookie Flurry is like an 8.2. And the pecan pie, it's like a 8.1. Not too bad of a run to Dunkin', Dairy Queen, because we don't have a DQ grill and chill anywhere close to us. So I drive about an hour to get some ice cream, but that's all right. It's good ice cream. So there you have it. 8.4, 8.1 for the new pecan pie blizzard. Good Lord, what a mess. And the Reese's Pieces Cookie Blizzard. And this is the pecan pie. Big chunks. Big, huge chunks of nuts. Well, there you go. 2 decent scores. 2 new. There's also a salt, caramel, toffee, blizzard, and there's like a pumpkin cookie shake. A lot of cool stuff. But there you go. That's my Dairy Queen run. Love you guys. Love you, babe.